Hello friends, welcome back. It's Lucy from Craftberry Bush, and today we're going to be making this pretty little succulent pot inside a pot. Let's get started. To make this adorable little planter, you're going to need some terrarium soil, a shallow pot, a smaller pot that fits inside the bigger pot, some succulents, stone granules. I got mine at a dollar store, but I've also seen them on Michael's, and of course the nursery. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour the soil inside the pot. Now I'm using specific soil for terrariums and cacti. So if you're using regular soil, I would definitely recommend lining the bottom of the pot with some gravel or even some moss. This really absorbs the water because you are using succulents. You want to make sure that the water has some sort of drainage. Next, I'm going to take this little dish that I found in my kitchen cabinets, and it's perfect because it goes with my blue decor at home. So just find something that you love that's smaller than the bigger bowl. And I'm just going to pour some of the soil into the little pot. Simply going to take all these little succulents, get rid of some of the dirt, and then start placing them inside the little pot. So you want to create the illusion that they're all coming right out of the little pot in the center of your bigger pot. I had so much fun with this, trying to create a little garden inside a garden. So just play around until you're happy with how it looks. I really love these little succulents. And it really doesn't take a lot to fill in. Obviously, depending on the size of your larger pot, it doesn't take too many little succulents. You can find really pretty succulents in the fairy garden section at your nursery. They have all these tiny little succulents, and they're perfect for this particular project. Now I'm taking a brush and just brushing off any dirt that might be in the little crevices of the succulents. This little one is my favorite. Unfortunately, I can't remember the name, but they're just so cute. And I love how it fills in all the little spaces in the planter. And once again, I'm going in and just dusting off any extra dirt. Just make sure it's nice and clean. And I'll do this throughout the entire time. I'm just going to gently lift the little succulents and just pour all around. I'm shaking a little bit so everything settles, and then again I'm using the brush to get rid of any of the gravel that might have gotten inside the succulent, and then just brushing it in. I actually found the brush as a very useful tool for this project. I found that the brush was a better tool than my fingers to press down because I didn't want to see my fingerprints on the sand, and the brush kind of just spread everything around a little more evenly. Much it. I love how this turned out. I am going to be making a lot of these in the future, and again you can coordinate them to your decor, and they are going to look so pretty outside in our backyard. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!